Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry and I'm a field product expert for Broan-NuTone and Best. And today what this video is going to show is how to link the remote control up to a Best IPB9 and a WPB9 range hood. The first thing you want to do is we're going to press and hold at the same time the 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock button on the remote. I'm going to go ahead and do that. The light will light up on the remote. It lit up. I'm going to let go. I'm going to press and release the 6 o'clock button, and I'm going to press and release the light button on the unit. Now this unit should be linked. Now I'm going to go ahead and try the light. The 12 o'clock button is the light button. And you can see that the lights are working here. So this unit is linked. And I'm going to press the fan button. And you should be able to hear that motor running. And you can hit the minus button, and that'll turn it off. And again, this is for the Best IPB9 and the WPB9 range hood. I hope this video helps. Thanks.